Community Nursery School. I hope you're having a great day today. I wanted to share a little experiment with you guys. In the recent days, we've been getting packages delivered that have groceries in them. And when we get cold food, they have to try to keep it cold. And ice melts really fast. So something else that they'll use is something called dry ice. And dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide. And so can you zoom in on this for me? My daughter Sophia is our cameraman today. And you can see, do you see that it's smoking? That smoking is our CO2 evaporating into the air as smoke, which is very cool. But do you guys notice, am I touching the dry ice? No, I'm not. I'm using a tool. What is my tool? What are these called, boys and girls? Tongs, you're right. You have to use tongs when you touch CO2 or gloves. CO2 is so cold, it can actually burn your skin. So we do not like to use anything. I prefer tongs, not even just gloves. So this is an experiment you have to do with your grown-ups. And grown-ups, this is nice and easy for you to do. All you'll need is a pair of tongs, 2 glass of whatever. I have vases here. I like vases because the necks of them are smaller, so the kids can't put their hands in, and you'll see why that's important in a few minutes. I use some food coloring to help change the colors of our water when we go to put that in there. Some dish soap and some warm water. So this is just a really fun, quick experiment you can do at home. So you take a piece of your dry ice and you drop it into your glass. And remember to be very careful. You do not want to touch this with your hands, boys and girls. Have your grown-ups do this with their tongs. Okay? So then in my first one, I'm gonna pour some warm water over my dry ice. Zoom in on it, Soph. Do you see how it's smoking? And do you see down here? The liquid is bubbling because it is making a gas in there. I'll pour a little bit more. And do you see how it's coming out and over everything? And the gas you can touch. You can touch the gases that come out from it. But don't put your hands inside, but you can touch the gas. Feels really cool. Then, in this one, we're gonna take some of our warm water and put it in. And I'm gonna take just a couple drops of my dish soap. And you're gonna see what happens in just a minute. I may put just a few more in to get this reaction going for you. So can you zoom in? Boys and girls, can you see what's happening? Do you see the bubbles that are forming in our experiment? So the gas is happening and it's causing bubbles to rise up out of our vases. And again, you can touch the bubbles. So I hope that this was really fun for you all. Now remember, you just need a little dry ice, don't touch it. And you can get all of these ingredients just inside your house and you can have fun with this. And the dry ice, you can just keep pouring more water over it until it all will melt away. So have a great day, boys and girls. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Take the bubbles.
And go 3, 2, 1. The smoke comes out of the bubbles.
Ta-da! More bubbles! Ta-da!